Understanding the behavior of a narcissist can be complex and emotionally draining. One of the most perplexing questions is, when will a narcissist leave you? This video will delve into the signs and patterns that indicate a narcissist might be on the verge of ending the relationship. We'll also explore coping strategies and how to reclaim your sense of self in the aftermath. Signs a narcissist may leave you. Narcissists often follow predictable patterns when they decide to exit a relationship. Here are some key signs to watch for. 1. Increased criticism. When a narcissist begins to leave, they may ramp up their criticism of you. This is often a tactic to undermine your confidence and justify their departure. 2. Emotional withdrawal. If they start to pull away emotionally, becoming less engaged and more distant, it could be a sign they're preparing to leave. 3. Idealization of others. Narcissists frequently seek new sources of admiration. If they start idealizing someone else, it could indicate they're looking for a new supply. Narcissists are like emotional vampires, constantly seeking out new sources of validation. Why do narcissists leave? Narcissists leave for various reasons, all rooted in their need for validation and control. Here are some common motivations. Loss of interest. When the initial excitement of the relationship fades, they may lose interest and seek new thrills elsewhere. Challenge to their ego. If you start standing up for yourself or questioning their behavior, it can threaten their fragile ego, prompting them to leave. New supply. Narcissists are always on the lookout for new sources of admiration. If they find someone else who offers more attention or validation, they might abandon the current relationship. The impact of a narcissist leaving. The end of a relationship with a narcissist can leave you feeling devastated and confused. Here's what to expect. Emotional turmoil. It's normal to experience a whirlwind of emotions, from relief to sadness and anger. Self-doubt. Narcissists often leave their partners questioning their self-worth. It's crucial to remind yourself that their departure is not a reflection of your value. Coping strategies. Recovering from a relationship with a narcissist requires time and effort. Here are some strategies to help you heal. 1. Seek support. Connecting with friends, family, or a therapist can provide much-needed support. Consider joining support groups for individuals who have experienced narcissistic relationships. 2. Rebuild your self-esteem. Engage in activities that boost your confidence and remind you of your worth. This could include hobbies, exercise, or new learning experiences. 3. Establish boundaries. Learning to set and maintain healthy boundaries is crucial in preventing future toxic relationships. Moving forward. Once a narcissist leaves, it's important to focus on your healing and personal growth. Use this opportunity to reflect on what you've learned and how you can apply these lessons to future relationships. Reflect on the experience. Consider what red flags you might have missed and how you can recognize them in the future. Prioritize self-care. Take time to nurture yourself, both physically and emotionally. Stay informed. Educate yourself about narcissistic behavior to better understand what you've been through and how to avoid similar situations in the future. Conclusion. Navigating a relationship with a narcissist is challenging, but understanding their patterns and preparing for their potential departure can help you regain control. By recognizing the signs and focusing on your recovery, you can emerge stronger and more resilient.